In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to check your Apple Watch warranty. To check your Apple Watch warranty, you have to go to your iPhone. In iPhone, go to the Watch app. From Watch app, select My Watch and tap on All Watches. And here, tap on this eye icon next to the Apple Watch you want to check warranty for. And here you will find your watch serial number. Long press on your serial number. Tap on copy to copy your watch serial number. Now on your iPhone, open a browser and search for Apple coverage and open this website checkcoverage.apple.com. So that's how in this website we can check our watch warranty officially. In here you have to select your country or region. So in my case I'm selecting United States. In here scroll down and you get this serial number field. Just paste here your watch serial number and then tap on submit. And here you can see your Apple Watch name, model number, serial number and your watch purchased date. And here you see your Apple Watch limited warranty and warranty expires date. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.